All right, good morning. What's going on? Hope y'all are doing fantastic. We are getting ready on the day here. I'm gonna chart a few things out. You can see I have a couple levels I'm watching around 445, this 447.2.3, this upper resistance. Just a spoiler alert, we got the CPI data that came out 0.1% lower than expected. So we have naturally shot like $10. I don't even know where we are in the pre-market. Yeah, we're almost hit 447. So a $7 jump in the pre-market from literally 440 to 447. Crazy stuff, crazy stuff, crazy stuff. We've broken out of this long-term resistance here. So new bull run? Is this just a gigantic bull flag? I don't know. We'll find out. We do have a gap up on the day, so we'll see if we fill that today. I think we'll be pretty bullish, so a gap fill would require us to have a $7 or so sell-off. I don't expect that, but I suppose expect the unexpected, huh? I'm gonna throw some shit up in there. We already had CPI print, all that stuff came out early morning. We do have the Vibe chair, dude. That sounds dirty. The Fed Vice Chair for Supervision, Michael Barr, testifies to Senate panel. I don't know about all that. We got Goolsby, the freaking Goonsby, speaking at 12:45 Eastern. For some reason, it's not letting me pull up. My shit's bugged out. You see this? Bro, what is my computer doing? Huh? This is really weird. It's not letting me open up my files. Alright. It is what it is until it ain't. I like this line. I like that 445 a lot. Kind of support after this gap up. We have a resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, resistance here. In terms of other levels to watch, I would probably watch like around there, maybe somewhere in here as well. Just kind of those highs that we have, that 451 pretty much on the dot. We got 453.5 ish. I'm gonna see if I can't pull up trying to share a screenshot. There we go. That was really odd. My my files weren't coming up, but we got it. We got it. Good. Sweet deal. All right. So I'll also say we have a level somewhere in there around 440. All right. Let's take a look at the 4 hour and let's try to decipher if we have some stuff that I'm missing here. I see kind of an area, honestly, between like 444 to 445, just that general area. I might make a marker there just to kind of capture that a little bit. But this is kind of like a dollar zone, maybe even a no-go zone in here. Holding above that zone, bullish. Getting below that zone, maybe we gap fill, who knows. Speaking of gap fill, I'm gonna do that right now. I'll come back to the 4 hour, but I just want to take a look at some stuff. So this is Monday's high. This is Monday's low. All right, pre-market low kind of right along that 440 level, so we're not gonna even bother with that. Pre-market high, I suppose we could see that update or change, but for now it is right at 446.7. We'll keep an eye on that. Absolutely insane. Absolutely crazy. Yeah. What a move. Didn't mean to open that. Let's go back to the 4 hour here. Just take a little look-ski. So we got some zones to the upside. I think I also do like that 440, 448-ish range, but let's just look back and see. Here was a lot of chip chop. This is 1 hour. Yeah, I'd like to boil that down to 4 hours. So I can kind of get an idea where we might. I like this level like right above. Somewhere in here. It's kind of that range. A little bit above 448 probably. We do have this little spike here that is in after hours / pre-market. And it does align with some other kind of pre-market moves right around 446. I don't know if I love it. Alright, I feel pretty good. I feel pretty good about the levels I have there. If we maintain above 445, we're long. If we break below 444, we're looking for a potential gap fill. That'd be crazy. I don't think that's gonna happen. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Nothing too crazy here. Nothing too crazy. I'll hop in the trade chat. What's up, Yvonne? Did we just join at the exact same time there? You're singing? I missed it.
Yeah, you missed it.
Are you a good singer? Oh, you might have to show out for us one time. Show us what you can do. Crazy gap up, huh? What up? Yeah. It came in 0.1% lower than expected, and it rocketed $7. I don't know. The stock market's crazy. Yeah. Well, I think the last couple that came in were higher than expected. So maybe they're happy. I like us. Oh, no, you're good. Go on.
Yeah, pre-market high, if we do pre-market high, we might see some, I don't know, continuation, maybe.
Yeah, I think if we hold 445, that's a really good sign to the upside.
Yeah, if we get some pullback, yeah.
I wouldn't mind seeing a little bit of pullback before going long or something. This is just insane. Like a 6-5, a massive gap up, I feel like. I mean, shit, it could just rip. I mean, that's what I was thinking last week, but then we had like 3 gap up days in a row and never pulled back, so I guess you don't know. But yeah, to make me feel more comfortable, I'd like to see like a retest of support or something. Or we just clear pre-market highs off the open. This is crazy stuff. I feel bad for anybody that tried to hold puts overnight. Yeah, may they rest in peace.
Contracts are at 0.
Yeah, dude, I just wanted to see. I opened up a put and I was like, I didn't think I think they took them offline, dude. I could definitely see a little rejection off the pre-market high and then retest maybe like 445 or something, but we'll see.
Oh, we got the ascending cobra head.
You're like Animal Planet with your.
Cobra.
This is the endangered Taiwanese squirrel formation.
That one's not.
The hourly looks so funny. Just a green bar. A lightsaber.
QQQ is weak.
Oh, I've been slacking. I don't even have anything charted up there that high for QQQ.
I'm at level on 384.88.
Okay. Yeah, SPY's still rejection off that pre-market high. Do I have anything marked for SPX? No. Yeah, everything just kind of blew out of my levels that I had. I didn't expect a massive jump like that. I almost kind of wish I played puts off the retest of the pre-market high. I feel pretty strongly that we're gonna come back and find some support before going any higher, but I could be wrong. We'll see.
We are holding that low that I have on SPY.
Around like what, 446 or so?
446.36.
Yeah. Open.
Weak on that candle flow.
That speaker's at 10 and 11, I think, right?
Yeah, 10. There's a, I don't even know what it means. Michael Barr testifies to Senate panel at 10. I don't know what he's testifying about. And then 12:45 Eastern, Chicago Fed President Austin Goolsbee speaks. It's a crazy name. Also spelled Austin in a wild way. I've never seen that.
Yep, QQQ is approaching that resistance.
Yeah, I'm tempted to try put on SPY here, but I might wait. Maybe I shouldn't have waited. It just feels like it's not a reject off that pre-market high. It can't clear it or stay above it, I guess.
We can easily drop like $1-2.
That's what I'm saying. I could see us finding support down at like 445. That'd be a very nice move.
I don't know, we are still holding that level and KTT is trying to go up.
Could be a decent put. Just risk it off high day.
That's what I was thinking.
Treat it to get the hell out.
Yeah, like if we break like 447, just get out, risk a little bit of movement, but I don't know.
Thing is, if it breaks it, it's probably gonna be a quick move. I feel like it would make me freeze.
Good. You just gotta set that stop and just forget about it.
It's tempting though.
The volume is so dry at the moment.
But now, like on the 5 minute, looks extremely bullish. Like that hammer right on the pre-market guy. Obviously, got a minute and a half left, but the new high on the day. There it is.
Not yet.
It's not taking off though.
It's about to hit 447.
Interesting.
KTT is at pre-market high.
Yeah, I was tempted on puts, but that 5 minute close on that candle kind of convinced me not to. I don't know. Could pull back, but
Oh my god, I almost clicked buy.
I'm just gonna wait a little bit and see what we do here. That'd be classic though, for us to get that massive gap up in the pre-market and then just have like a slow morning. It's pretty textbook. I feel like expecting some volatility and it just doesn't. Volume's really low on 2 minute. Looking at like since the open, it's just like fallen pretty drastically.
grab some puts. Just gonna risk off that 447.
So, yeah, I was debating it, but I think I'm gonna hold off for now. We do have some volume coming in on this push.
Yeah, mountain. That's right.
I was debating it too when I saw volume kind of slowing down up around 447. I was like, oh, maybe we do, but I hesitated. I guess it saved me a little bit. I don't know, just that that previous 5 minute candle. Like that hammer right on the pre-market high. It was looking me in the face. I couldn't short it. I have my next level up ahead is like 448.4 ish, 0.37 to the upside.
Can you repeat?
Yeah, sorry. I said I have my next level to the upside is 448 point like 37, 38, somewhere in there.
Okay. I have one close to 449.
Okay. Oh, I wish we retested 445. That's a big level I was watching. I would have liked that. Would have felt a little bit better too. It's like a little bit of a pullback, hold that, then go long. Now I'm just waiting for a pullback somewhere. But we'll see.
Feels around the resistance now.
Yeah, maybe I just spend a second to chart some stuff on QQQ because I have nothing over there. I mean, not at this level. Dear God, we haven't even been this high. And
Good thing I got up.
yeah, QQQs, I have a level right at like 384.6 or so. It looks like it's clearing it.
No, we'll be rejecting it. I have that 0.88 from the high of, I don't know, a month ago.
Yeah, yeah.
High of like July 31st.
Yeah, it was way back there. Crazy.
He's rejecting now in a cent as well.
Yeah. We broke out of that huge downtrend, or that huge like resistance on SPY. It was on like daily and monthly. We finally broke out of it. I don't even know how long that's been holding, since like last year or something.
Oh, he's holding strong.
SPY's looking real strong. Might just be one of those days where you don't get a pullback. Holy shit, you know what I just thought of? Mike has those 450 calls. We're almost at 450. He's probably up like 1,000%. Dude, I gotta ask. If he's still holding those,
Got that yesterday.
I gotta know if he's still holding, because he was up like over 300%, and that was a while ago. That's crazy.
Nah, I want to pull back.
Yeah, he's online.
Yeah, I tagged him. We'll see if he replies.
Big rejection.
Oh my god. That was a nice QQQ rejection. Wow. Now it needs to reject pre-market high.
Yeah, tech is going crazy. Tesla's up $10. Oh my gosh. Nvidia's almost at 500, 494. Jeez, man. Apple's almost 190. Sorry, what's up?
I was just going to say I'm looking to break that UQQ and hold, but yeah, Meta is 52-week high.
That's wild stuff. Got a little bit of a bull flag on the 2-minute on SPY.
Yeah, okay. Meta is looking strong.
Almost 10 o'clock.
QQQ trying to break.
Mm-hmm. SPY broke out of that little bull flag on the 2-minute with some volume. I feel like whenever I trade flag breakouts, we get a pullback, and whenever I don't trade the breakout, we don't get a pullback. It's I just don't like trading breakouts because I feel like every time I do, we get a pullback, and I'm like, oh, that would have been a better entry anyways.
QQQ still rejecting that.
Mike said he sold his options a little bit ago. He sold them at 500%. He said there's a few people that are holding and it's up to about 1,000%. That's so nuts. I can't imagine an option going 1,000%. It's got to feel crazy. You guys ever try, or are you interested in swing trading at all?
I have before, but like I can't even sleep.
Yeah, I've done some swing trading, but like the only swing trading I would do is just like long Apple when it's sitting on support or something like that. Like I just take like a big blue chip and then just like long it when it's down. I feel like it's a pretty safe swing strategy, but yeah, I feel you, man. Like waking up and checking it, oh, you definitely have to have some like tolerance for that. But the couple times I have swing trade, they all worked out actually. I don't think I've had like a loser on. I've only taken a couple. What's up, Oscar? Yeah, it's absolutely nuts. We got like a $7 gap up this morning and no pullback on the morning either. I was thinking maybe we'd get a rejection off pre-market high and like hold 445 or something. Nothing. Not even a red candle on the day. So absolutely insane day. I don't even know if I'll trade unless we get like a decent entry, but yeah, it's nuts. Nuts stuff. Yeah, we're due for a pullback. I think people have been saying that for a while.
It's now 2000%.
I mean, if you just look at the... I mean, I guess this could have been a pullback a little bit, but we really... This is just nuts. I don't want to FOMO into it. So yeah, I'm not sure if we just keep going straight up. I'm probably won't get a single trade in today. Good morning, Mario, as well. Hope you're doing well, my friend. Yeah, Tesla, I think, is up like $10 today, Oscar. It's crazy. Crazy stuff. CPI came in slightly lower than it expected, and everything just went to the moon. This is crazy.
No pullback.
Yeah, none at all. Not a single red candle on the 5-minute this whole morning. After gapping like $7, it makes no sense.
Yeah, Q is above that level now.
Damn, I should have gone long off the hold of the pre-market high, I guess. When it formed that hammer on the pre-market high, that was the long signal, I guess. This thing is crazy. I want to see if it even reacts to the level I have above it, or if it just keeps grinding up. I think every single candle we've had on the 5-minute has set a new high. That's actually insane. Every candle has formed a new high on the 5-minute.
Yeah, literally.
That's nuts.
Next one is yours.
The next one is mine. All right, dude, I'm in. I don't know. I want to see if it reacts to this level at all, but I feel like, I mean, shorting this feels pretty stupid.
Yeah, I don't feel bad because I'm not in. There's just maybe that pre-market high. All of that pre-market high was a trade, but
That's really the only thing I could see. but that was just too close to open, and I was unsure. But I was still thinking that we were gonna see a pullback. It's testing my level right now, so we'll see if it breaks through. If we see any sort of resistance here. Maybe it's working.
New high. Wow. I think I'm done for the day.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, I'm gonna hop off. I'll
Okay,
see
man.
you guys.
Yeah, see you. Have a good one.
See you.
I still want a little piece of the pie.
I know,
I
man.
just-
I'm also looking like on the higher time frames. We have the RSI where everything is overbought. So
SPY's kind of hanging out like right at my level. It seems like it. There it went. I'm just curious to see if it like slows down at all. Maybe.
crazy, crazy.
Yeah, SPY doesn't care at all. Doesn't care about levels. Doesn't care about pullbacks or RSI or any of that. This thing's on a one-way mission to the moon.
Seems like, yeah.
It's crazy, dude. I don't know if I like a $7 gap up and then just new high every single candle that it prints is wild. No pullbacks. And at this point, you just enter, you know, and you'll be good. Just go long. Yeah, the pullback we were looking for happened in the pre-market. Exactly, dude. I was looking for a pullback to 445.
Maybe 1 year ago. We had also CPI news, and then we were also like 2% on QQQ and SPY, and then we reversed it totally. Totally we were negative on the day.
Huh. So you're saying we could gap fill back down to 441? All right, dude. I'm getting 440 puts. You convinced me. This is the first red candle I've ever seen. I'm tempted to long it. It's right at that.
449 now.
Yeah. It's right at a level I have, so I'm curious to see if we get a little bit of rejection here. Although I'm not playing puts. If we do reject, I just want to get a pullback for the upside.
Yeah. Let's not start.
What up, Chief? I think we're gonna get a little bit. Hey, all right. It respected my level. Let's go. Just like a few cents off.
QQQ might retest that level.
That was a decent little rejection.
It's not a high volume candle either.
Oh man, now I have the FOMO. I should have taken it. Nah, we'll see. We'll see where we find some support. Yeah, it sure did, Chief. Today's move has been nuts. The first red candle we've had on the morning on 5 minute.
QQQ holding. It was a retest.
That might have been the pullback. One red candle, we're ready to go.
that was a retest on QQQ.
Oh yeah, it's up above it, huh? It's holding it as support.
Yeah. So
Yeah, let's look. Tesla and Nvidia have kind of dropped a little bit. It looks like they fell. Apple hasn't really changed at all. Looks like it's kind of slowed down a bit. Like I definitely wanted more of a pullback than that to go long. Volume's really slowed down though. I'm almost tempted to take a put up here.
What's up, dudes?
What's up, Josh? How you doing?
Good.
man.
Hey, I had a question. Real quick. I know. Sorry to like come in and like hijack everything. I just had to. I wasn't able to hop on call this morning. I took a call and um profited from it. But the reason why I'm mentioning that is because Weeble said that if I sold my position today, because it was a quick day trade,
Mm-hmm.
or a quick scalp. Um, they said that this would result in what's called a good faith violation. Do you guys know what that means? And they said if I get like 4 in a rolling 12 months, it would an account restriction would occur, and I have no idea what that means.
It might be like the pattern day trader stuff. I don't know because I don't use Webull, but there's like a lot of brokerages have a pattern day trader rule where you can only day trade so many times if you have like a small account. Yeah, you need
Okay.
a dude in my chat said you need a cash account. So yeah, that's the same thing with like TD Ameritrade is, uh, and I would just look it up how to like have a cash account on Webull. Because yeah, they limit day trading for accounts under like 2,500 or something, 25,000, something like that. Unless you're a cash account, and then you're good to go.
Yeah, I mean a cash account. It cut out. What did the dude in the chat say?
He just said that he uses Webull, and you need a cash account to day trade, or else you'll get flagged for pattern day trading or whatever.
Okay. And that is
He said you're probably on
for
margin.
margin trading.
Yeah, he said you probably have it like activated or something though, or at least like yeah. I would just take a look, but I believe that's the issue.
Okay. I'll check on that then. I appreciate that. Yeah, dude, some like the craziest thing happened. So I think part of the reason why is like, so I set a stop loss to take a 10% hit, right? Like, so on the 5 minute, I took a position at the 9:45, like right there, right between 9:45 and 9:50,
Mm-hmm.
and rode that little green up right there until about 10:05. But when I first took the trade, though, I immediately set a tight stop loss at like to take like a 10% hit, and I was in the green the entire time. But as soon as I set my stop loss, though, it the position sold,
Mm.
and I had no idea like what happened. So I went back in and I bought a new position again, and maybe I am on margin, but yeah, typically it hasn't allowed me before to buy multiple accounts or like to buy multiple positions once I sold one. And today it let me. So I don't know
Yeah,
if like maybe something got turned on without me knowing about it, but
it sounds like you're on margin. That's usually like because like with TD Ameritrade, I have a certain amount of money in my account, and like it basically like once I start buying contracts, that money, I guess it's like in a processing phase, right? Where if you buy a contract and then sell it, you don't necessarily have access to that. Like the broker is still like processing that transaction. So if you go over your amount of cash that you have, like buying contracts, then it will just do it on margin rather than like the cash that you technically have. But it's just like in a processing stage where you can't really use it, if that makes sense.
so okay. So then I'm guessing that if you do multiple positions only on strictly margin, that is maybe a good faith violation then if I accidentally trade on margin. I mean,
Yeah, that's what it sounds like.
okay. Yeah.
Because
That's
I've had it on mine with a small account where I try to like buy a contract and it just says like, oh, you don't have funds in your account, but I do have like the money. It's just like in a processing state or whatever because I already traded that day.
hmm.
Looks like maybe we get like a little bit of a double top here. I mean,
It
volume's
says I'm
slowed
in
way down. Sorry.
it
What?
says I'm on level 2. So, which covers covered calls, cash secured puts, long calls.
Yeah, I would just do a quick Google to see like how to check if you're on a cash account because
Okay.
all that is just like options approvals.
Yeah, I'm on a cash account. It says it's
Okay.
account type cash.
Yeah, maybe it
I'm
just.
not on margin. It says I can apply for it.
Oh, well, that's weird then. I don't know.
It says, please proceed to open a margin account. Once the account is open, you'll be able to move positions between your cash account and your new margin. But based on what we've discussed before, don't do that.
Okay, yeah, so I just looked it up. A good faith violation occurs when a cash account opens a position with unsettled funds and liquidates it before the settlement date. So that's it. It's just like when I said that processing stage, it's called like unsettled funds. So since you already like bought contracts, you had funds that were essentially like still being processed by the broker, and then you bought more, and technically, I guess, like went over your limit, your cash limit or whatever. I'm surprised it let you do that though, because on TD Ameritrade it will block you.
Webull does too. This is the first time it's ever let me do it. That's what's weird about it. Because, yeah, I mean, it prematurely sold that position when I didn't hit my stop loss. Has that ever happened to you, by the way?
I've had it happen where I set a limit and it just like sells out.
Without it even hitting that limit?
Yeah.
Yeah, that sucks, man. That's why, like, I'm so hesitant to do stop losses now because of that.
I've only had that happen one time.
But yeah, I mean, I'll keep looking into it though. It's just that was.
It shouldn't happen on like SPY though, with a tight spread like SPY. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know, man. That's weird stuff. But how's your morning going so far?
No trades, man. No trades. So nothing. I was kind of expecting a little bit of a pullback, and we didn't really get that. And now we're just kind of lingering right around a resistance / high of the day. And volume's down. I don't know. I don't really like anything I'm seeing to either side right now, unless we get a breakout a high a day.
I'm still liking the upside. We've been bouncing bouncing off of the 7 EMA, and we also have I have a resistance drawn out at 450.7.
Yeah, I got one up around 451. We just made a new high a day. There we go.
And we have a little bit of a gap between there as well. So I wouldn't be surprised if we do go up to 450 and just close it. But yeah, I sold mine off though because I was at 20%, and I took a huge L yesterday.
You trying to hold on to those puts?
Yeah, I tried, man. I tried. It quickly reversed on me, dude, and I just held a little too long.
Yeah.
I've taken I took like a $90 loss, which it was like 70% because I was just waiting for it to turn around and it never did. So I mean, I just trying to build things back up a little bit now.
Yeah, those will get you. It's always, yeah, I don't know. You always just got to cut the loss and just accept it. It sucks, but holding it can be really rough. Once it starts going, those options just get beat.
For sure, dude. Yeah, I was not happy, but I'm glad that I was able to rebound a little bit of it today.
Yeah, it's like getting good solid trades and then keeping your losses small. Because like if you're trying to wait for reversals or like hit home runs, they'll happen sometimes, but more often than not they don't. At least in my experience, those things get me burnt more times than they help me. But yeah, good on you for coming back and hitting a nice trade.
The thing is, like, too, is I can't remember who said it in our chat or in our group was like having that mindset one way or the other. Like if you come into the market with a bullish mindset or a bearish mindset, it's kind of hard to switch it when the market's telling you differently.
Yeah, you just start looking for any
You know what I mean?
sign that it's going to confirm what you think for sure. That's like today, I was kind of expecting a pullback after that massive gap up, and we just didn't get it. So I didn't take any trades because I was like, well, I'm kind of not positioned also. Just with how I want to enter, I didn't see too many great entries. I honestly might hop off. We're probably about to make higher highs here, but I don't know.
I'm in one QQQ call since we held that low.
Nice.
Just looking honestly for a quick scalp.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm out. That was like a solid. Let me calculate it. %17%.
Yeah, that's not bad at all for a little scalp.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know if I might even take any trades today.
Yeah, I think I'm done for the day also, unless I see some good setup.
But yeah, I should probably get headed and get ready for work. But damn, man, what a crazy day. We had 4, 5, 6, 7 straight 5-minute candles setting new daily highs.
Wow, look at Q's going on a 5-day. But SPY is that resistance that I told you about this morning.
Yeah, it's coming up towards 449. Dang, well,
49,
yeah, I'm probably about to hop off, guys. I wish you all the best of luck. Good luck. Good job on your trades today. If you've got a winner, don't be greedy. Don't give it back trying to get more. Take what the market gives you. All right.
You boys have a good night or good day, man.
I'm going to bed. All right. Peace out, fellas.
Good night. I'll talk to you tomorrow.
Yeah. Take it easy. All right, guys. Take it easy. Good luck. I hope you all secure a bag. I'll be back tomorrow. Peace out.